This is Animaker 8792. I bring you a new, fresh collection out of the mailbox. My friend was gonna get it for me as a surprise gift. When something makeup related, I'm not really surprised because I'm really up to date and I'm always debating, contradicting myself. So I convinced her to get something else, and I got myself this collection because sometimes I get this decoloring mood and I don't want to decolor a gift. But if I buy it myself, I decover my own money. Whatever. Here's the first box, and here's a SpongeBob and Patrick graphic postcard. It's so pretty. I'm tempted to keep it. Oh, welcome to the world of Bikini Bottom beauty. In celebration of 20 years of SpongeBob, Hipdot have created this limited edition ocean inspired makeup collection just for you. Hope you enjoy. XOXO Team Hipdot. I am so keeping this and framing this. I'm weird, but SpongeBob is a TV show for any age to enjoy. And they bubble wrap it very well. And this company, Hipdot, is originally in North Hollywood, LA, I believe. Around LA area. And I'm happy that SpongeBob is a big brand and collab with an indie brand. I was gonna be on camera with this face mask, but I already prepared my face with primer and all that jazz, so I skipped the skincare for now. Basically, these two masks the same thing, but one is Patrick, one is SpongeBob. This is the lip gloss. I'm not really a lippy gloss person, but I want to try everything from this collection. And I got the Sandy Cheek bronzer and blushy. Oh, hologramic. I hope the box packaging is the same hologram as this, so I can keep that instead of the box. And here's the palette. Oh my god, it does have the same hologramic. Oh. Hey, packaging is a plus. There's a difference between the packaging itself and the outer shell. I feel like this is more hologrammy and reflected, and this one's like, I'm okay. Okay, we're gonna start with the face. Here's the packaging. Hologram, hologram foil, hologram, hologram foil. Here's the swatch, blushy, bronzy. And since Sandy Cheek, they have Sandy Cheek flower imprint. Let's see if this bronzer works on me. Oh, pigmented. Pigmented! Oh, pigmented! I used too much! I also know it's very pigmented. Okay, since I did too much, I'm gonna blend it out with powder. When you put too much, sometimes the powder erases it. Sometimes. In this case, I don't know. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Oh, you can build up this blushy color. On camera, it looks lighter, but in person, it's very pigmented. Maybe I should have applied the blush first before I powder, because I feel like this was too much too. This is called the Perfect Face. It's a pressed powder face palette. I bought it for the travel. It got bronzer, blush, highlight. I feel like this can be a dupable to the Kanish Glow. It might not be the same shade, but since the SpongeBob collection doesn't have a highlighter, I'm gonna use this. Alright, let's do this one. Oh, 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 oh. I'm drenching in highlight. I love it, even though I put too much. Blend it out with my finger. Blend it out with... Oh. I like this. This eyeshadow palette, I believe the creator said they want something different from the show, and the cosmetic, trying to pick like colors that you can wear normally that's not outrageous, and the color they have chosen was inspired by backdrops. And I'm really digging into playing these two yellows in this ocean inspired color. Best shade ever. It's very powdery. This yellow is not kabam, but you can build it up, but I was hoping you can build up after the second layer, not like 3 or 4 later. I'm gonna try to deepen this with imagination. I'm putting imagination from my corner to my crease. I'm just blending the yellow into the yellow. Golden pineapple. Oh, this is just dry. Wedding help. I'm gonna use bikini bottom blue underneath my eye. I'm gonna use tree dorm in the corner brow. Maybe a liner will fix this look. But since I have 2 eyeballs, I can play with more color on the other eye. Wumbo, wumbering, wumbo, she, we, wumbo. Penny pincher, Mr. Crab. I just made it into another color. Jumping jellyfish. I'm gonna use advanced darkness. I'm gonna use meow, meow, meow. Last thing from this collection is these lip glossy. Come with 3. Even though it looked bright from the tube, it's really sheer on the lip. This is Coral number 5. This blue one is a sheer of blue, so it can be wearable. Lip liner for sure. Same formula as the Sea Star Glazer. You just pick your preference. You want pink or you want a blue. This is Sea Star Glazer. But this one just have a color wash of peachy pinky and fresh pineapple. This I can see if I use a lip liner and this on top. It's like it's out there, but it's sheer enough to make an everyday work. It's very light, it's not goopy. But there's a lot of sparkle kabam, whatever. But I was like excited for this because this is the first thing they tease. But since this was a disappointment and then this thing was not really teased until the last minute to the first launch, and this became my favorite. This one's just like meh. My eyeshadow doesn't even make me happy. It's just like meh. I got Spongebob on this eye and Patrick on this eye. I wish they would have just did it traditional and grab color from the characters. Like we already got Spongebob, get some browns in here, Spongebob, lime green, Squidward. I wish they grabbed the color from the character, not really the background. Because I know this like new age Spongebob, but I feel like traditional color Spongebob would make best. Because you can have the natural, smoky, the colorful, whatever. This is whatever. Bye.